Hi, I'm Art.
And I am Connie.
We are the owners of Vega Contractors Cleaning.
Hi, I'm Austin.
And I'm Irma.
We are the owners of Unison Construction Cleaning, and this year we've come together to provide the cleaning services for the St. Jude Dream Home.
So tell me, what's your favorite feature of this home?
Well, my favorite feature is the gorgeous courtyard. The custom designs are absolutely beautiful. So how about you? What's your favorite feature?
My favorite feature is the stunning kitchen. The details are so perfect, the designers knew exactly what they were doing. For those considering buying a ticket, funds raised through past Dream Home fundraisers have helped support St. Jude in revolutionizing cancer treatments for children through innovative technology and research.
That's why so many hospitals across the nation rely on St. Jude when they're in need for cancer-related information.
So reserve your tickets today.
You could win a home.
You will help save lives.